Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to display battery percentage on Realme C67 device. Default display when you buy this device for the first time, and then at the top here there is the battery percentage. So how to display it? You can do the following steps. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. And then here you can scroll down and select battery option. Okay, after that here will appear some settings related to your device battery, and then to display the battery percentage, you can activate this feature. Okay, now the battery percentage on your device will appear. Well, that's the tutorial on how to display the battery percentage on Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.